Hi, we have already implemented this blueprint for our theme and our colors. Now we will implement our light theme. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are naming this color combination as our light theme, and you can name whatever you want. But I will suggest you to keep your code matched with me, so that later you can avoid some unintentional coding error. Anyway, to implement this light colors theme, we have to create a file, but before that, let's make some corrections from our last video. I'm just increasing my font a bit so that you can see better. So I think this app color class will be app colors, so I'm just renaming it. And if you look at our grayscale or our surface colors, you'll see that there is on this surface 50 to 900 color scheme. There is no single surface color, so we can remove that here. And also we can rename our app colors to color. So this is it. Now we will implement this color scheme in our light theme. To do that, just create a new file, light theme dot, and here we will create a class light theme, which will extend our app theme. And now we need to override these 5 parent class variables, these 5 actually. So I'm using VS Code ID helps prompt to get this prompt, so implementing that colors, field, button, theme, and so on. Now let's remove these to-dos. I'm actually getting help for GitHub Copilot to do this kind of things. And what I have done, no need to have that override. Okay, now we need to implement the app colors first, and we also don't need uh, this many import. Instead, we can already only have material. Now let's implement the light colors. So class light colors will extend our app colors, and as you can see, we have to also implement these variables. But I don't want you guys to bore you with my typing, but so I have already prepared them. So what I've done, I have just actually named this primary color, this one. So this F52 hexa color I have just converted from there. I have just took there, so I have just used this color code from there to here. And if we see the error color, 5555, similarly I have just copied this color and pasted here. So I have already done for every colors here, and you can follow along with me. So this is what I've done, and I need to use that. So you can convert there. Now our app colors is done. So just instead of app colors, we need to have the light colors, and the field, button, theme, and outline button, we'll take care that later, and we will also take care the text theme later. So can the compiler satisfy? It says data, so we'll not implement it right now, and instead theme data we will use our material 3, and let's set the colors for this app bar. So As you can see, the Copilot actually suggesting me to implement Apple theme. And no. So now for Apple theme, we will have background color as our background color. So colors dot background, and also our foreground color will be. So if we go to design, and if we pick any of page, so this is actually our foreground background, our background color as white, that we have already implemented here, the background color. Okay, now we have also our black color, this one. So this will be our surface 900 color. So as of now we can implement that here as well. So the foreground color will be colors dot surface 900, and also we can set our text label style. So title text style, we are just setting it for now, but this will be changed later. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are setting refactor it later. So this is our title text style, but we will have a better title styles in the next video. And now let's make the compiler happy through implement. Wait a second, we can do that here as well. So unimplemented error, and now our compiler is happy. And we also need to change it to our theme, our main app theme. So the theme data will be now this will be our light themes, light theme dot theme. Okay, so this will be our theme, and if we run the app, we should see white background, and this is our background color, and foreground color will be 900 for this app bar change. So just restarting app, you will see the app bar color is actually changed here, and also the app bar title. So in the next tutorial we will have better text theme style. So we'll actually implement this text theme and use that text style here.